In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to create a static layer export. And we will create this static layer export out of our original territory boundaries, the boundaries that you see now on the screen. One of the main reasons for creating this type of export is so that you can see where your original territory boundaries were after you've made changes to your territories. So to create this static layer export, you click on File, Export, and then select Export Alignment as Static Layer. And you can do this in 3 levels. You can do it at the territory level, the district level, or the region level. For this example, we will stick to the territory level and click Next. And we will call this static layer Old Territory Boundaries, and then click Next again. Here we can customize how this static layer will appear on your map. You can also change this later in Configure Layers. But for now, let's zoom this line out, make the line a bit thicker, and we'll change the color to a bright blue and click Next. And now I have the option of adding this new static layer to this current map or saving it as a static layer file that can then be imported into a different map. I'll use this first option. Click Finish, and that static layer has been created. And you'll see right away that the boundaries are now outlined in this blue line. And that's that new static layer that I've just created. If we move our current territory boundaries around, that static layer stays in place. And it's because that static layer is a snapshot in time. It's showing you exactly where those original territory boundaries used to be. You can further customize that static layer by clicking on Configure Layers, and then you'll see Old Territory Boundaries is our static layer right here, and here you can change the color, the thickness, and when that boundary will appear. And if you were using a new file and you wanted to pull in a static layer, you would simply click on this plus button here to add a new static layer. Then you would locate that static layer that you've saved, and it would appear in this map. And there you go. You've just learned how to export static layers in AlignMix.